Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about consumer buying behavior. Continue. Number C, personal factors. A buyer decisions also are influenced by personal characteristics such as buyer age and life cycle stage, assumption, economic situation, lifestyle, and personality and self-concept. Age and life cycle stage. People change the goods and services they buy over their lifetime. Tastes in food, clothes, furniture, and recreation are often age related. Buying is also shaped by the stage of the family life cycle, the stages through which families might pass as they mature over time. Marketers often define their target market in terms of life cycle stage and develop appropriate product and marketing plan for each stage. Traditional family life cycle stage include young, single and married couple with children. Motivation. A person has many needs at any given time. Some are biological, arising from states of tensions such as hunger, thirst, or discomfort. Others are psychological, arising from the need for reconnection, esteem, or belonging. Most of these needs will not strong enough to motivate the person to act at a given point in time. A need becomes a motivate when it is aroused to a sufficient level of intensity. A motive or drive is a need that is sufficiently pressing to direct the person to seek satisfaction. Psychologists have developed theories of human motivation. Two of the most popular, the theories of Sigmund Freud and Abraham Maslow, have quite different meanings for consumer analyzing and marketing. Number C, types buying behaviors. Complex buying behavior. Consumer undertake complex buying behavior when they are highly involved in a purchase and perceive significant differences among brands. Consumer may be highly involved when their product is expensive, risky, purchased infrequently, and highly self-expressive. Typically, the consumer has much to learn about the product category. For example, a personal computer buyer may not know what attributes to consider. Many product features carry no real meaning. A Pentium Pro chip, Super VGA resolution, or megs of RAM. Number D, buyer decision process. Now that we have looked at the influence that affect buyer, we are ready to look at how consumers make buying decision. Figures show that the buyer decision process consists of 5 stages: needs, reconjection, information search, evaluation, alternative purchase, decision, and post-purchase behavior. Clearly, the buying process starts long before actual purchase and continued long after. Marketers need to focus on the entire buying process rather than on just the purchase decision. The figure implies that consumer pass purchases. Consumers often skip or reserve some of these stages. A woman buying her regular brand of toothpaste would recognize the need and go right to the purchase decision, skipping information search and evaluation. However, we use the model in figure because it shows all the considerations that arises when a consumer faces a new and complex purchase situation. Stages in the adoption process. Consumers go through 5 stages in the process of adopting a new product. Awareness. The consumer becomes aware of the new product but lacks information about it. interest. The consumer seeks information about the new product. Evaluation. The consumer considers whether trying the new product makes sense. Trial. The consumer tries the new product on a small scale to improve his or her estimate of its value. Adoption. The consumer decides to make full and regular use of the new product. These models suggest that the new product marketer should think about how to help consumer move through these stages. A manufacturer of large screen television may discover that many consumers in the interest stage do not move to the trial stage because of uncertainty and large investment. If these same consumers were willing to use a large screen television on a trial basis for a small fee, the manufacturer should consider offering a trial use plan with an option to buy.